Hello everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Gamestop credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. Now go to the URL box at the top and type in Gamestop credit card login and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the search results that is based on your search on the next page. Click on this first link that says GameStop Power Up Rewards Credit Card Bread Financial. Once you click on that, you'll be taken to a new tab. On the next page that appears on your screen, click on the sign in button at the top. You'll be able to see the login area displayed on the right hand side of the screen. Enter your username in the first text box and head over to the password box and type in your password correct. If you'd like the system to remember your credential, click Remember Me and log into your account. But if you're using a public or a shared device, leave the box unchecked for your security. In case you've forgotten your username or your password, click on Forgot Username/Password and follow the instructions in order to reset to a new password or to look for your username. After typing in your credentials, click the Sign In button and you'll be able to get access to your GameStop credit card account online. That's how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.